denominators. You have to find the lowest common denominator. When we say lowest common denominator, we are talking of lowest common multiple of the denominators. And so to find the lowest common multiple of the denominators, which is the lowest common denominator, factorize the denominators, prime factorize the denominators, express the denominators as products of their prime what? Factors. And right top is given as 2 times 2 times what? 3. And 30 is given as what? 2 times 3 times 5. Then we wanted to find the LCM of the denominators, lowest common multiple of the denominators. And after you have prime factorized all the denominators, you take each of the primes from where it appears most. Right? If you consider prime 2,
yes,
it appears most in the first denominator. How often does it appear? Twice. Saka you take it what? Twice. Saka 2 tinoitira mayakawanda no1 hwayo tinobva tati 2 times 2 times 3 umu irimo iri 1 umuwo irimo iri 1. Saka unoitira kangani? Ka 1 because mayakawanda ingani? I1. Saka toti times 3 times 5 ingori umuchete ndo mayakatowanda irimo dziri ngani? Iri 1 altogether. Saka toti times 5. Right. Kana tadai tava kuti this denominator into the common denominator. I want us to work yakadai kuitira kuti uone zvine zvichiitika. Kana tikati this denominator into this denominator kuti tione kuti posara chii 2 na 2 zvokanzelana, 2 na 2 zvokanzelana, 3 na 3 zvokanzelana. Saka tinosara nani? 5 yacho ndoyo toti times the numerator 5 towana chii 25 toti plus this denominator into the common denominator chichinoitika 2 na 2 zvokanzelana, 3 na 3 zvokanzelana, 5 na 5 zvokanzelana. Saka tosara nani? 2 yacho times 4 8 tilose kwakuzoeda dzava nedenominator yakafanana manje dzava necommon denominator altogether. Kwakuzoeda 25 plus what? 8. What is 25 plus 8? 33 over what is our common denominator? 5 times 3 ndian 15 times 2 30 times 2 saka is 33 over what? 60. Ndizo kana ari mafraction akadai to reduce it toti by 3 tinowana 11 over what? 20. Kana pane zvinokanzelana unokanzela uchireduce because you are simplifying, you are expressing in its simplest what? Form altogether. Right. Should I do? Takupinda takupata panorira pacho panorira addition and subtraction of fractions in algebra. And it exercise 7C. That cut 3 over 2AB plus 4 over 3BC. Apa nitapita inga 5. Mazo. Sanganisira hiyo hiyo. Saka tukuti 1 down. Mazo. Saka to find the lowest common denominator. What is the lowest common denominator? Lowest common multiple of the denominators. 6ABC. Tilose. Right, katura 2 umwe 1, saka toti 2 times. Apa tina 3. Utakaone ma numericals. Anditi. Tobva tati apa tina A iri 1 toti A. Anditi. Apa tina B umwe 1 saka toitora ka 1. Apo C umwe 1 kuma hakuna saka toitora ka 1. Saka 2 times 3 and 6 times A times B times C, 6ABC. Altogether, saka chikuwa na 6ABC. And it takuti denominator into the common denominator. Altogether, tarisisa oneka yo. Right, 2AB into 6ABC, 2 into 6 into 3, A na A, B na B zokanzelana kosarani 6. Saka tatu 2AB into 6ABC ndiani 3C times 3, 9C plus 3BC into the common denominator. 3BC into the common denominator. 2A. 2A times 4, 8A. Pane kwa ichaita na yatopera. Tilose. Kana mvuzo nokuvuza. Anyanya impati.
Totanga baba 3ABC. Mbona usega unaweza mbuzi. Pama ese.
Tatika nataka 2AB apa tuna 3BC. Toda kutsvaga lowest common denominator. Lowest common denominator takada iso tiri kuti 2AB apa tiri kuti chi 3BC. Tilose 2AB ndi 2 times A times B. Iyo ndi 3 times B times what? C. Saka toda LCM, lowest common multiple. Tilose saka tinotsvaga ma prime factors tinotora mayakawanda nowanda hwayo. Apa 2 irimo iri 1 saka tinoti 2 times. Apa tina 3 iri 1. Toti times A i1 mairi anditi times B. B mairi ingani i1. Umwe irimo iri 1, umwe irimo iri 1 saka mairi i1 times C iri umuchete iri 1. Saka kwati 2 times 3 times A times B times C notipa chi 6ABC. Saka 6ABC ndio common denominator. No, vatati 2AB into 6ABC, 2 into 6 toana chi 3. A na A zokanzelana B na B zokanzelana tosarana na 6. Saka tawana 3C. Yatawana ta divider denominator into the common denominator. Saka zvatangoita ku primary apana kana chachinja. Anditi ukadivide denominator into the common denominator, answer unowana way multiply ne numerator. Saka tiri kuti 3C times 3 towana chi 9C toti plus 3BC into 6ABC. 3 into 6 ndiani ndi 2. B na B zokanzelana C na C zokanzelana posarani A. Saka tawana 2A. 2A yacho times 4 tawana chi 8A. Tudose. Tunosangana na 5 minus A minus B over 5 minus A minus B over C. This one is a fraction, isn't it? So let's express 5 as a fraction. And it 5 as a fraction becomes 5 over what? 1. And it right upper or the lowest common denominator. Can I check the lowest common denominator? We are considering the smallest number that is exactly divisible by what? Both 1 and what? C. What is the term? It's C. And it so I don't want to go to 1 times C no pachi C. And it right, what 1 into C Indian? C times 5. 5C minus C into C. 1 times A minus B. A minus B. But once upper pane minus, ipapa. Pangoita minus jet. Consider brackets. Tulose. Ukangoesa minus apa ukasema brackets. Kumwe kose kuonoda kuinda kwakutambisa nguva kubereka mwana newspaper kunonaya. Because apana watu are wrong. And but once I some brackets, it means when you will be removing the brackets, it will become 5C minus A plus B all over what? C. Altogether, minus A. This negative will change all the signs inside altogether. So this one will become minus A and this one will become plus b anditi saka yatopera yakadii tinose kana nemvunzo zokorora kamage brackets means what? Saka ukamultiply minus neminus unowana chi? tikuti minus ndo iri kumultiply zvemukati. Hausi kumultiply a nei because idzi dzose dziri mumabrackets. Uri kumultiply iri kunze kwemabrackets kana ichipinda mumabrackets ndo kumultiply kwainenge ichiita. Minus iyi zvakafanana nokuti minus 1. Saka we are saying minus 1 times a, it becomes minus a. Minus 1 times minus b, it becomes plus b. Yes.
Because denominator 1 over 1c. And Baba Mati denominator is c. When the guy sees 1c, it's wrong.
Mukazisi wrong. But you cannot cheat 1c. Triple out to 1 times c. And Saka, you must show us that you know that 1 times any number is equal to that number. Saka 1 times any number is equal to that number. Saka we to write what? C. No, but 1 times c is what? C. And because when I sell these discs, some people say, if I have a question, who do I ask? And I tell them, I not to this Saka says, one chit is such to this Sutarangura. Pakatita my questions want to Bunza. Saka, they may ask on your behalf. And Saka, so one fan out of an own doctors, Papa Sakana. Doctor Munaka, one disc, I want to try on Zinza. Because Panada Funza, Pango Punza, and Mona. Cannot Pano Funza, Cherangas Namfus. So Pasato, Zera Kumbatsira. Anova atsanangurika zvakawenzeya handiti right and now zviri kubva kwandiri handiti right taakuendawo tichiinda kwakasumukira handiti tinotanga we start from simple to complex. Alright, ndanga tinotanga 4 5 6 kana 7 ane dzakaona dzinokonzera kuti ndikuwedzere. Ngatinde pana 5 over d squared minus 2d minus 8 plus 2 over d squared minus 6d plus 8. Isusu tati always you start by what? Factorizing the denominators. All together. You start by what? Factorizing the denominators. Saka, let's factorize the denominators. It becomes 5 over but our denominators is factorize. D, D. And right, we find the two factors of 8, which when what? Subtracted. They give what? 2. Altogether. 2 factors of 8, which when what? Subtracted. They give what? 2. And second and my factors of 8 are not subtracted, are not 2.
2 and 4.
2 and 4, right. Any negative third term, which means the factors of different signs, and the bigger factor takes the sign of the what? Middle term. Altogether. So apatoti minus, apatoti chi, plus. Plus 2 over. Pana apatoti chi, 30d upper 2d. We find the two factors of 8, which when added, they give what? 6. True. Which are the factors? 2 and 4. And can I read positive? It means that our factors are of the same sign. They both take the sign of the what? Middle term. And so I told you minus pana. Can I tell you to check the lowest common denominator? And which is the lowest common denominator? We, by factorizing, we have expressed our denominator as the products of their prime factors. And as the products of their what? Prime factors. So we consider each of the primes, taking each from where it appears most. And tikatasa d plus 2 iri umuchete iri 1. So I will take it once. And tinani d minus 2 iri umuchete iri 1. And then tinani d minus 4 umui 1 sakatinetrakai 1. Right. Tawana lowest common denominator. All together. Tawana G lowest common denominator. LCD. And right. We now divide the denominator into the common denominator. What happens? D plus 2 na D plus 2 no cancelana. D minus 4 na D minus 4 so cancelana. Tino sarana. Tosarana D minus 2 and D minus 2 actual times 5. 5D plus what? Minus 10. And minus 5 times D, 5D, 5 times minus 2, minus 10. And plus 3. This denominator into the common denominator. D plus 2. 3. Because D minus 2 na D minus 2 is no cancelana. D minus 4 na D minus 4 is no cancelana. So saranami D plus 2. All together. So D plus 2 actually times 2. You know to 2D plus 4. All together. Right. Toba taona, toba tatichi 5D plus 2D. You know to 7D. Minus 10 plus 4. Minus 6. Over D plus 2 factor of D minus 2 factor of D minus 4. True. Yeah, it's factorize. Can I factorize? You factorize the numerator. Could try to one with a panel is knows one was chikanzelana. True. All together? Yes. Right. Panafu over x minus 3 minus 1 over x plus 2 minus x plus 7 over x squared minus x minus 6. Right, got to factorize each. Let's factorize this one. To factorize another, then it already in its simplest form. Altogether, in its what? Simplest form. It is in its simplest form. Prime, right? So this one, x squared minus x minus 6, no yet no factorized. And it try some brackets upper 20x upper 20x kanataka minus x so not minus 1x and we want to consider what minus 1x because we want to find the factors of 6 which when subtracted they give what? 1. So I want this number 1 for this fact. And so we want the factors of 6 which when subtracted they give 1. Which are the factors?
2 and 3.
They are of different signs and the bigger factor takes the sign of the middle term. So apatoti minus apatoti chi. Then we take this one to substitute that. Sakatova tanyora takati chi. Takati x plus 2 factor of x minus 3. All together.
Yes.
Right. Panapa, try to g x plus 2 factor of what? X minus 3. No common denominator, lowest common denominator. And must not say that x minus x plus 2 apa iripo iri 1. Apa iripo iri 1. Saka patino itura kai ka 1. And it x minus 3 apa iripo iri 1. Apa futi iripo iri 1. Saka patino itura kangani ka 1. Saka tawana lowest common denominator and it. Yes.
And x minus 3 and then it's minus 1 over x plus 2. But muna 1 over x plus 2 apana x minus 3. Saka tinopa kupasia pakada because we are different of x minus 3.
Sorry, come again and sukunya sabata question.
Dukuti anti apo tinema we are 3 akasiana 1 2 3 kuti 1 2.
Oh, by fractions.
Ati tinge chifana kutora yakafana na mune dzese. Kana kuti tinongotora sekuti imwe 1 mune
Right. Terera onzeka. To find the lowest common denominator, we are finding the lowest common multiple of the denominators. That is the term that is exactly divisible by all the denominators altogether. Yes. That which is exactly divisible by all the what? The denominators. Saka, how? I said you consider each and every time. Apana inosara kutoa. Panetida. Trilose. And the person inosara, you take each from where it appears most. You take every factor, but you take each from where it appears what? Most. Tikatarasa apa x minus 3 iri zingani iri 1. Uko iriko zingani 1. Saka maiko atipa yakawanda how much? Once. And saka we take it once. X minus 3. Twenda pana x plus 2 iri iri 1. Irimo iri 1. Saka mairi 1 wayo wakanyanyisa ka 1. Saka we take it just once. Altogether. Tadero tawakuti denominator into the common denominator. X minus 3 into the common denominator and there x plus 2 because x minus 3 and x minus 3 cancel off altogether. So Sarana x plus 2. X plus 2 times 4. It gives what? 4x plus x. Altogether. Minus this denominator into the common denominator, x plus 2 into the common denominator, x plus 2 and x plus 2 cancel off. And it Tasarana x minus 3. X minus 3 times 1, it becomes x minus 3. Altogether. Minus this denominator into the common denominator. 1. Because you should not be once. Every number is repeated 1. And it Saka 1 after times x plus 7. X plus 7. Saka x plus 7. But since the upper panel minus, tino is achi my brackets. Altogether. Right. Yes. Yeah. Right. Apa tawaku simplify my numerators. And it 24x plus 8. Apa negative. Pana negative cannot take one in my brackets. Altogether. Such that when you remove the brackets, it will change all the signs inside the brackets. And it pakata negative kana zichi edana kana subtractana ukasasa ma brackets watorasika mbere kono tenda kose bato vachi saka ndona kuti pose panonyera uzunze izozo altogether. Right, saka pana patri kuti chi minus x plus 3 minus x minus 7 all over x plus 2 factor of x minus 3. And it right. Don't you simplify? Just sweat it there. Just sweat it there. My like terms. And it 4x minus x. You know what? 3x minus x foot. Saka 2x. And it right. Ma numerical values plus 8 plus 3 plus 11. Say plus 11. Plus 11 minus 7 plus 4. Consider the sign. And no to come 4, no 2x, or 4. Right. Triple over x plus 2 factor of x minus 3. Saka tati susu kana washika kupesira factorize the numerator so that you can identify if there are any factors to cancel off. Yes. Saka it becomes 2 in bracket x plus 2 over x plus 2 factor of x minus 3. So that x plus 2 and x plus 2 is not it. What will be our final answer? 2 over what? X minus 3. Musatara tasota msikiona. Ameona. Right. Saita. Any question? So kunzi sisa elewe. Question. Right. Over d squared minus 16 plus 2 over d plus 4 in the bracket squared. And then, right, issue. 30 no factorize my denominators. And then, denominator 5 over d minus 4 factor of d plus 4. Because this one is difference of 2 squares. And then, yes. Right, plus 2 over what? D plus 4 factor of d plus 4. Up it means d plus 4 is multiplying each of what? Twice. And then, so I have to check a common denominator. What is our common denominator? D minus 4 factor of d plus 4 factor of d plus 4. Tatitune turama yakawanda no 1 kwayo. Anti mukona kuti d plus 4 apa ziripo dzimbiri. Saka mayakawanda ituka. Tinozitora dziri 2 because we take it from where it appears most. Right, saka panapa tiri kuti this denominator into the common denominator, it is what? This denominator into the common denominator. D plus 4 because d minus 4 and d minus 4, d plus 4 and d plus 4 is no cancel and d plus 4. Do to multiply na 5. What do we get? 5d plus what? 30 plus. This denominator into the common denominator. D minus 4 times 2. Not alright, so what 8 with d minus 8. D minus what? 8. Tilo say? Yes, sir. Right, saka 30 to square the and tribute 5d plus 2d. You know what? 7d. And plus 20 minus 8 plus 12. Take the sign of the bigger number and find the difference where the signs are different. And over d minus 4 factor of d plus 4 in bracket squared. Amazona. Na minus check ignore the sign of the bigger number. Then you find the what? The difference. The sign of a number is to its left. Cannot cut it plus 20 minus 8. Sign 8 in minus. Sign 20 plus. It's not minuses. It's not a T. Sign of the bigger number. Also, if the signs are different, take out minus 20 plus 8. Sign a total bigger number into 20. Sign a minus. Different. As take out plus 20 minus 8. Sign a total and plus. Sign of the bigger number is what we take kanama sign akasiam. Then the difference is what? 12. Chi. Number line, you don't confuse us. Confuse about Tikata Mas number Maombe, Asinga Panipa number line. Saka only wait and see. Gambos Vakuti. Whenever the signs are different, you take the sign of the bigger number. Kana tikati tasa one -8 plus 6. Urunzo. Sign umchokutakata sauti sign ya ono tura ndepi. Tasa sauti number umpetiani. 8 kwa sign ya ndia. Chita ngwanu tura sign onyora sign yake. What minus? Uruzona. What right? What is the difference between 8 and 6? Because if the signs are different, you find the difference. How together? What is the difference between 8 and 6? It's 2. Then you go and write 2. What is that? So, asetikat -6 plus 8. Tanga kuta sign yono tora. Take the sign of the bigger number. Plus. Then what is the difference between 8 and 6? 2. Can't it the difference is not to subtract the smaller from the great? What's what? Asika na maside akafanana. Tikati -8 -6. If the sides are the same, take that given side. Which is that given side? Minus. Then 8. 1 14. Kana maside akafanana. You just take the given sign and you add all together. Right.
Is the final answer the same? Denominator times 2 is it fine with that?
Yes, it can be fine because it means it is multiplying itself twice. It's fine now. It shows, it saves the space and the time. Right. Ana mazona ka. Right, ndoda kuita mbili zokupedzisira. Zawale